One thing you might want to do to round out or to finish off your video is to add titles. And here is how you do that. It's very simple. So over here in File, you go to New, in the drop-down box, you choose Legacy Title. It wants you to name it. So I'm just going to name it Names because I'm going to put the bride and groom's names in there. And then, so you can see here, my playhead is on this first clip right here. And so that's what's showing up underneath my text box. So the couple's names are Natalie and Colby. Natalie is spelled with a N-A-T-H-A-L-I-E. And I'll do an ampersand. Natalie and Colby, excellent. So there we have our text. So for this video, I actually am going to put it on just on this black space. The font just defaults to whatever your first font is. So I have that, that right there. So let's just change it to whatever is early right there. And then if you want to change the size, you just change that right here. And again, same as when we were changing the size of our video, you can either select this and move your mouse up and down, or you can type in whatever you want. You can change the color right here. I'm just going to have it white. White is a nice neutral. So if you want to center your text, then you just go over here to center. This centers it top to bottom, and then this little button centers it left and right. So let's just go ahead and do both. And we have centered text. So I'm going to close that, but you can see it's not on my timeline at all. For whatever reason, Premiere, when you open a new text box, it just saves it in whatever bin is open. So I'm just going to search for names. Here it is in my Osmo folder for some reason. Command cut and then paste it in here. And then just like any of my other footage, I have to put it on my timeline. So here is what the end of my video looks like right now. There you go. Very basic for titles. Super easy to do. You just put it on your timeline and you're good to go.